In this video I am going to tell you how you can resolve camera is blocked in Google Meet. So this is the Google Meet and I have logged into my Google Meet account, and whenever I click on new meeting and click on start an instant meeting, so I will show you where I am getting this message. So let the meeting start. So after starting this meeting I need to go to the settings, and herein there's an option of video. You can see there's an option of permission needed, camera is blocked. So what I need to do, I need to go here in the browser only. You can see there's a lock. You can just need to tap on this, and here is an option of not allowed. You just need to turn this option on. Just turn this option on, and now you can see you can turn on the camera from here. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.